In today's video, I'm going to help make your next TikTok ad a successful one by sharing 5 tips that have been proven to increase ad performance. Did you know that 25.5% of the top performing videos have a video duration between 21 and 34 seconds? We are going to cover more tips like this, and we will also be taking a look at a few top performing ads for inspiration. Before we get into the video, if you like videos about winning products, dropshipping, Shopify themes, apps, and tutorials, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on. Now, let's get into the video. If you didn't know, TikTok has a creative center where you can view top performing ads and read their insights. I put a link to this in our description box if you want to follow along with me. Within the Creative Center, they have this page here where they outline 5 key things that top performing ads have. Number 1, a video length of 21 to 34 seconds. They state that 25.5% of the top performing videos have a video duration between 21 and 34 seconds, and the data shows a 1.57% increase in impressions compared to videos that are less than 10 seconds long or above 50 seconds long. Number 2, a video resolution of 720p or higher. 83.19% of top performing videos have a resolution of at least 720p. Here's an example of a video that is 720p. You can see that if we zoom in here, the video quality isn't completely clear or crisp. In this video here, on the other hand, it exceeds the 720p recommendation. This one is 180p and is completely clear and crisp. Number 3, use audio in your videos. 93.02% of top performing videos use audio. This can be you talking to the camera, a voiceover, background music, or text-to-speech. Number 4, use the 9:16 aspect ratio on your videos. Every social media website has a ratio that is made to fit their platform. For YouTube, it's 16:9. For Instagram, it's 1:1 or 4:5. And for TikTok, they want 9:16. They state that using this ratio indicates a 60.45% increase in impressions compared to videos that fit poorly on the screen, and poorly meaning they show empty blank space. Tip number 5 goes right along with the previous one, and that is to use vertical video. Vertical video indicates a 40.08% increase in impressions compared to videos that are square or horizontal. Now that you know the best practices for a successful TikTok ad, let's take a look at some top performing ads for inspiration. If we go to the top ads portion of the website, we can select different parameters. So for regions, I'm going to select United States. For industry, if you're in a specific niche, like tech for example, you can go ahead and select that here. Campaign objective, you want to select conversions, and then you can either set this to the last 7 days or the last 30 days. Then what you want to do is take a look at a few of these for inspiration for your own ads. I'm going to mute these clips for copyright reasons, but essentially in this video, there is background music playing, and then instead of using her voice, she is using TikTok's text-to-speech option, and then she's showing what the listing looked like on the website, and then showing what she received and what it looked like in person. In this one here, you can see the girl first, which makes it look less like an ad. There's no voiceovers or speaking. They've just used text in the video, and then there's background music as well. The transition between the different photos of the phone cases you see here is synced to the music, so it fits really well together. Now let's take a look at pets. In this video here, they are advertising this floppy fish toy. They are using background music and the text-to-speech option, and then it's just a 17-second clip of the dog playing with this toy. Here's another one for a pet bed. They are listing several pain points and therefore establishing this as a problem-solving product. There's calm music playing in the background, and then they have the text written here. They say that this product is a solution to their problems, and this is the first bed that their dog doesn't have a problem sleeping in. The last industry I'm going to check out is clothing. This video is interesting because they are advertising the rings for free. Essentially, what you do is list a product as free on your website, and then you just charge a shipping amount that would be equivalent to what you would charge. So essentially, you're just flipping the free shipping offer. This video here is advertising these slippers. In this video, you can see the person. She is talking to you. She has the product in her hands. This definitely adds trust to the video. And then she goes into establishing that this is a problem-solving product, that it helps with sore feet, joint pain, and etc. Check out TikTok's Creative Center for more inspiration. Again, we have that link in our description box. If this video helped you, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.